Hello
In today's
everyone,
video, I'll
welcome
show
back
you
to
on how you
Guide
can
to
link your
Everything.
broker to TradingView. You could do this with any supported brokers out there. So first things first, you want to log in your account for TradingView. It's going to be this icon right here. Click on sign in, and now we are ready to head over to any chart. In my case, I'm going to open up a chart right here, which is gold USD. Once inside your chart, you can then click on the trading panel. It's going to be at the bottom of your screen. So just click on it, click on the find broker option, and then you simply want to search for your specific broker. If you want to view a list of brokers out there, you can just click on the show all brokers. And from here, we have multiple supported brokers that you could integrate your account with. We have something like Bybit, OKX, which is going to be one of the popular ones. We have Binance, Paper Trading, Moomoo, and more. In my case, I'm going to connect my FXCM account. Click on it, click on the connect button, and from there, you then want to enter your account credentials. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.